Medical science is constantly pushing boundaries to provide enhanced healthcare to people around the globe. When cutting-edge technology merges with medical science, it leads to the availability of accurate diagnoses and safe treatments, allowing universal access to digitized medical information for individuals from all walks of life. This is why Medical IP is fully committed to developing patient-centric AI. Medical IP offers top-tier solutions for quantitative analysis of medical imaging, making it possible to predict and prevent a wide range of diseases. The digital twin, powered by Medical IP's technology, enables a more systematic treatment planning, precise surgical simulations, and robust disease monitoring. It unlocks a whole new level of experience for both patients and healthcare providers. Our mission is to empower everyone to lead long and healthy lives, while elevating the quality of life and promoting health equality. Medical IP is fully dedicated to fulfilling this mission. Better care, improved longevity. Medical IP.